everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about Tom's Key Company. First of all, I'd like to thank Tom's Key Company for sending me this unit so I can test it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So what I have in front of me right now is 2 OEM key fobs and 1 from Tom's Key Company. I'll give you a moment and see if you can spot which one is which. So believe it or not, these two, as you might have guessed, are the original OEM key fobs. As you can see, this key fob is fairly worn down. This one is brand new still and hasn't been touched. However, here's the Tom's Key Company key fob. This fob feels OEM quality and looks like a perfect replacement. Tom's Key Company is a cost-effective way of getting a new key or fob without having to pay pesky dealership prices. So what is Tom's Key Company? Well, Tom's Key Company simply is a company where you can go and you can get a fob which will come with a OBD2 port reader or a new key cut simply by providing the photo of your key. So in your package from Tom's Key Company, you'll get an OEM quality fob and an easy installer for your OBD2 port. Let's find out how easy it is to program a new fob. Alright, when you first come out to your vehicle, you're going to want to look in the Tom's Key Company instruction user guide and find out which setting the easy installer needs to be set to. I'm in a 2020 Colorado, so it needs to be set to number 2. Once you've figured out what number you need to have the easy installer set to, go ahead and plug it into your OBD2 port. It's important to note to keep your vehicle on, but do not start the vehicle. Go ahead and listen for the tune on the OBD2 easy installer. And remote key learning is active. And just to remind you, in order to have all your fobs working, you will have to go through the process of programming each one that you have. Programming a new fob will only work if you have an existing fob that is working and is programmed. Once remote key learning is active, go ahead and press the lock and unlock button on your current and new remote. If you heard that jingle, it's a 2-tone beep. Once you've done that, your controller has been programmed. Go ahead and grab your next one and do the same thing. That's 2. So this is the Tom's Key Company one. We're going to go ahead and press the lock and unlock to program this one as well. Now, all 3 of these remotes, all 3 of these fobs have just been programmed. Here's my original OEM, my secondary that I got from the dealership, and the Tom's Key Company one. I've taken the key out of the ignition. I'm going to uninstall the easy installer and go ahead and test these key fobs. Now it's important to mention that only the OEM buttons that were programmed will work. So you cannot buy a Tom's Key Company fob with a remote start and automatically have remote start. The features that are built into the OEM fobs are the only features that you'll be able to use on the new Tom's Key Company fob. So right now I'm going to go ahead and test out Tom's Key Company fob, which is this one right here. So let's go ahead and see if it'll lock. Now unlock. Let's go ahead and lock it and remote start. And just like that, your new key fob is programmed. For the sake of this video as well, I also want to prove that your OEM fobs will work just after programming your new fob. Here's my second key fob from the dealership. And just like that, I have 3 key fobs. So there you have it, everybody. Go ahead and go over to Tom's Key Company, get yourself a new fob, and skip having to pay dealership fees for the fob and programming.